pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. I'm so glad that you clicked on this video. I do hope you will stay and decide to subscribe. And for my returning subscribers, my gems, hey loves, I hope that you are having a fantastic day. We have a Boxycharm mystery box. Now the only thing that I do know about this box is that there's a Morphe product inside of it. So I'm super excited to open this up because this is my first mystery box from Boxycharm. I said Boxycharm, right? Yeah, you can see it. It's been one of those days. All right, so we're gonna open her up. I think I paid $12 for her. So and then when I went back to see if there was any more, they were gone. They were sold out. So yeah, with a Morphe product in it, of course. All right, so this is how she comes. And, oh, this looks good. Oh my goodness. Okay, first off, there's no card in here on the values of anything. So we have gotten these in the past. These are facial radiance pads. They exfoliate, they even out skin tone, and they help with like larger pores and stuff. So I absolutely love these. I'm using Elemis right now, and then I've got 3 other brands of the same thing, but I love them. You can't get enough of them. So I will totally get use out of that. I'm so excited. Let me take a drink here. Guys, did my makeup. I used the Pat McGrath, the Mega Mothership Celestial Divinity, a long ass name palette. I love it so very much. I know you're like, come on, Karen, get on with it. What's in the box, right? Okay, the next thing I see is, it looks like BU Beauty Vault, or BV Beauty Vault. And it's a lip liner trio. Oh, I always spill something on me. Now you guys know why I always wear those big t-shirts when I'm doing my tutorials. Get stuff everywhere. Ooh, these are nice. I think I've got all of these colors, though. Cozy Kira, Beau Babe, and Natty Nat. All right, let's pull off the tops so you can see them. Okay, there we have it. I probably won't use all of these, to be honest with you, because I think I already have them, so I'm not going to swatch them for you. I mean, I could go through the ones that I already have and swatch those if you really wanted to see it, because I am pretty sure I got some, but I'm not too. Yep, same thing. Let me see. No, not that one. Yep, I've got them all. Okay, cool. So I'm going to put these down, and I'm just going to swatch the ones that I already have because they're the same exact ones that I just got. All right, so this one is Natty Nat. This one is Cozy Kira. And this one is Beau Babe. There you are. They're very creamy. And I guess they're good fall colors. I mean, it's not bad, right? Wipe that off before I forget and then leave the house. People are like, what's on you? Okay, so we got another one of these sponges, the $1 billion. I think it was worth like $12 or something, this thing here. But I love me some sponges. So that is definitely, I mean, if this is 12 bucks and the whole box was 12 bucks, I mean, come on. And now we've got a Morphe lip gloss in shimmy. This is shimmy. So let's open her up. Ooh, oh my gosh. This is similar to the one I got in the Jeffree Star mystery box. And by the way, if you haven't seen that video, there's a giveaway in there for either Blue Blood or Blood Sugar, whichever one you choose. So you need to definitely check that out. But look, that's what you look like. Let's swatch her. Very, very light tint, like a peachy kind of. I like it though. It's really pretty. Definitely can use that. Okay, so the lip gloss. What's the last thing? It's a Morphe palette. Blend the rules, it says. Oh, I'm super excited. I don't have this one. Oh yeah, look at this. I've been eyeing this at Ulta forever. Oh, let's just see. Ultraviolet, Galactic, Comet. Wow. Oh my God, I put my one finger that I didn't even put in anything in there. Meteor. Oh, you check those colors out. Look, 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 look. Whew. Very nice. Let me get this off of me and we'll swatch the bottom row. This was a fantastic box. Guys, you need to like catch these things. All right, Mirage, Big Bang, Trance, and Aurora. All right, let's swatch. There they are. I think that's awesome. I'm in love. I like them a lot. So what did you think of this box? 12 bucks. I mean, for real, you can go buy this. I think it's like 15 or 20. I don't know. But you got this awesome looking Morphe palette. Oh, it's amazing. You got the lip liner trio, which I'm totally going to save for a giveaway, guys, because I already have these three. And chances are, if I even use them all, these will be expired by the time I get to them. We got the $1 Billion Sponge, which I love. The lip gloss, very, very, very pretty. And the facial radiance pads. So that is an amazing box. I am so happy I got this. Definitely love it. I just want to say thank you for joining me for this unboxing. I do some unboxings on my channel, but most of the time I do eyeshadow looks because I love them more than life itself. I love makeup. I do. So if you're new here, I would love it if you'd stay, subscribe, and take a chance on this channel to hear some things that I have to say, to get my secret tips and all that stuff for beauty over 40. Yes, I'm over 40. I'm 42. And that's about it, guys. So thank you for my returning gems. I'm so glad you're still here with me and we are building such a long-lasting relationship. It's probably going to be the only long-lasting relationship I have. So I value you. That's why I call you gems. Anyway, I'm going to let y'all go and hop on over to that mystery Halloween mystery box video and enter. Okay, guys? Mwah. Love you so much. I'll see you over there. Bye.